01. Sorry, not for the face cam video for today, but in today's video I'm going to show you how you can promote Redbubble designs utilizing the power of Pinterest. It is going to be really simple. Okay, let's get started, and this is the exact process which I personally use to promote my designs on Pinterest. Okay, you can also follow this step by step process and definitely promote your products on Pinterest. Okay, and this is going to be really easy. So first thing you need to do is you need to open the product promotion page from your Redbubble. Okay, so this is one of my designs which I would like to promote on Pinterest. Okay, so now the first step which I am going to do to promote this design is very simple. Okay, that is you need to click on this button. Okay, and you just need to click on this copy link. Okay, so once you have copied the link, now you have got the link of this. Okay, you don't need to download the images and fill your computer's memory. Okay, no need to do that. Now what you need to do is you need to go to your Pinterest account. This is one of my Pinterest account which I especially use for print on demand promotions. Okay, so now what you are going to do is click on this save from site. So you have copied a link and you are going to enter the link over here. Once you enter the link and click this button, you will see some of the images will pop up over here. Okay, so whichever the image you want to use, you can just get that image. For example, for this I would like to use this image of this woman. Okay, then what you would do is just click on this add one pic. Okay, now see, this design is related to shark, so your title should be something which is related to shark. Okay, so let's write I am SHARKIFY. I am sharkified, shark lovers t-shirt. Okay, now here in the description you can just write anything like this is one of the best t-shirt for shark lovers, and then you can paste some hashtags. Okay, like example shark. Okay, then shark t-shirt, then printed t-shirt. Don't use more than 5 hashtags. Okay, then we can go for fashion, and then you can just click on hoodie. Okay, so you can see I have written 5 hashtags which are related to this t-shirt. Okay, one more hashtag let's add. You can add 5 to 6 hashtags. Okay, according to you. Fish. So people who are interested in shark, people who are interested in t-shirt, people who are interested in printed t-shirt or fish will definitely be interested in in buying this type of t-shirts which have a design of shark on it. Okay, so in this way you can definitely promote a shark t-shirt or any of the t-shirt from your Redbubble store to Pinterest, and in this way it is going to be really simple. Now I'm not going to show you how to create a Pinterest account and how you can convert. Okay, I don't know, there may be some problems with over here, but basically it works. Okay, so you can see, so you just have to create one of the Pinterest accounts and definitely you can just go and do this stuff for yourself. Okay, I don't know, there is some error with my internet connection, that's the reason this is not uploading, but definitely your images will be uploaded to Pinterest with this strategy. Okay, and in this way you can upload a lot of images to your Pinterest and promote your Redbubble products. And let me show you some of the traffic which I am getting on this one of my Pinterest page promoting all this Redbubble. Okay, so you can see I have got 23,000 impressions over here and I have got 33 clicks, and you can see here is one of my design which is over here, one of my design is over here. So you can see a lot of impressions are coming day by day, a lot of things are being happening on Redbubble, as well as a lot of traffic has been driven from this to over to my Redbubble store. So you can also basically use this strategy, okay, and you can also promote your designs. I don't know, there may be some error with Pinterest, that's the reason the pin was not going, but basically your pin will be uploaded with this strategy. Okay, so I hope you have got some value out of this video. Just press the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.